Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we here in the middle school.
The test. We only went through the first part of the test because of the second part. The second part, it was like not working. Yeah. And it was like so easy. The only thing I used in the backpack was the water. I had to use a different computer with no mouse.
Is it easy though? It's easy?
Yes, it was easy.
It's good. Here it is. Okay, we go now. There's RJ, get out now. Okay. Okay,
I
we're
had
done
to
now.
touch everything.
Huh?
I had to touch everything.
There's Daddy. Okay. Let's go. It's easy.
Section 2.
What's the first part, RJ?
First part was many things. We did it on the computer.
Good.
I didn't need to use anything on my backpack except my water.
Very good.
I didn't even need my computer. Sitting around playing games.
Uh-oh.
Really? What kind of games?
Really?
Like freeze tag.
There's RJ. He's finished his test, but he's not done yet.
Oh, two to done.
Part 2. Only only part 1.
They said
Section.
Section 1.
they said
What?
they said it broke because
What?
the normal school time, it shut it down. The normal school time at 3:30, and then we just kept going.
That's why, honey.
District wide.
Yeah.
So only the second graders got knocked out.
Yeah.
All the others,
No, only the people in that school.
There's Daddy driving. And RJ there. You hungry now, RJ? You hungry?
No.
3 weeks later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we here in the middle school because RJ is
taking a math test. End of year.
end of the year
It's like
test
a final.
for RJ in
Online school.
online
For
school.
the past year.
Yep,
During the pandemic.
yes. And we waiting here for RJ for 1 hour. We wait. And now almost now 1 hour. So we wait for a few minutes and then we go inside.
Just in time, the sun's coming out.
Yeah, and it's raining today. Sunny and rainy. Ulan og init. Okay, we wait for RJ. See you little bit later. The rain. Look at that. It stopped now, only little bit rain. There is the middle school.
Junior high school.
Yep. There is so big, the school here.
It was about a foot.
Oh. Okay guys, let's go. We go inside. Oh, there now the kids. Let's go inside now, guys. Is the kids. Here's RJ. The school, RJ.
Good.
Yeah, but
And you answer
their computer
all.
or your computer?
Their computer. They had like lots the computers already set up. They're like big computers. It had the same keyboard that the gaming computer had.
You not use your computer?
Nope.
Nope,
What was it said?
I used nothing in my
Oh.
backpack. Completely
I
nothing.
gave him pencil too.
There's math questions, lots of math questions, some subtraction. And that was it. And some time. One little time, but I already did it last time, so
Go do it again.
so I did it last time, so I didn't just put on it. It's the exact
That's
same.
exact.
Here's RJ. He complete your
Year of end of
question.
year testing.
Yep.
Touch everything.
Huh?
Okay, you got it all.
Touch the mouse, touch the keyboard.
Okay, go put alcohol.
Feel weird.
And
They
off.
gave me pencil, paper. The same teacher was there.
Oh,
that
the
had
same
last time.
before?
The man?
The girl.
Oh.
Same person.
She recognize her? Probably not.
Yeah, she said like, I remember you.
Really? He remember you. Wow, it's complete now. That's good, RJ.
We'll do our
I
kids.
always
You
had
answer
this.
everything.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to carry a borrow or
Like
or
maybe
give.
like 3.
3 of those. Most of them were just straightforward. Easy edition.
Yeah, like 2s.
Who's that big kid next to you? Is it a friend?
What?
The big kid with the blue shirt? When we went in, you were standing next to him. When he came out, you were leaning against the wall next to him. I could see him. I could see him now. He's still leaning against the wall with dark pants.
Not my friend.
And
Even when
just-
I went into the school, he was right next to me.
Yeah, he liked you. He was following you.
No, he wasn't.
He's in your way.
The person said, no, she said they go to the first front desk.
Right,
The front.
right.
I couldn't see anything because there's books in my way, so whatever. And then, like, this is me, and that's him,
Yeah.
and that's that big boy, and also other person right here.
So did you have a good desk?
You comfortable
It was
there?
blocked by books
Oh.
Blocked. Who was blocked?
in the front.
What's in the front that you was blocking?
There's a
People?
bookshelf.
Oh, bookshelf.
But then when I look to the side, I just see everything. And then the fan went on, and then I was getting really annoyed, and then it finally went off, and they for like 1 minute. Why is it still raining?
Yep.
Stop.
It's easy exam, RJ.
Stop talking.
Oh. RJ, easy exam. That's good, RJ.
We went over that.
Okay, we're going to McDonald's
How
now.
many kids are left?
Not, no?
She did give me a blue note.
They gave you a blue note.
No, they didn't give me a blue note.
Why the other? He gave you the blue note?
Yeah.
Really? Why you not ask? RJ
Turn it
is
off.
done. It's done, RJ.
Meters, centimeters, inches.
1.
Like one.
There we
They
go,
couldn't
McDonald's.
log in or something.
They started from the beginnings. Like section 1.
In a separate room.
Bumpy.
No, they had to stay there. And then they had to go back and then go to section 2.
Oh my God, it's
Packed.
crowded.
10 to 2. It's late for lunch. So people are usually at work. Usually they take lunch at between 10:30 and 12:30.
Yep.
Like
30.
made like 40.
Wow. So there was still leftover computers.
Yeah.
Not every computer was sat at. They should have put you in the back row.
Yeah, that was it. I survived.
You'd like to get bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle? Thank you.
There is
What about 7
the
an hour?
order. There is McDonald's. You want fries now, RJ, or in the house?
House.
Yeah.
This is hardcore.
Here's the traffic. Here's the park. Nice. Have no people
Shoot the
there.
ducks.